Hi. Uh, the best way to record your presentation on Mac with voice is through the inbuilt feature called QuickTime screen recording. In order to do so, uh, this is the presentation I want to record with my voice behind it. Um, I'm gonna now open the QuickTime player, which is this. We don't need this. Cancel. Then click on here, new screen recording. Now you need to tell her uh, what's the audio you want to record and what's the video you want to record. So I want to record the entire screen. So press here and in the options choose the desired microphone input. I want to choose this. Then you can put a timer. Uh, my current timer is 10 seconds, which gives me plenty of time to plan ahead. And now whenever I am ready, what I'm going to do is press this button. It's going to start a countdown here, and I'm going to open the slide quickly and put it into slideshow, and I'm going to give it a test run. Hi, this is my test run, and it is almost at the end of the test run. Have a nice day. I'm done recording. Press this button. This is the audio video thing you have recorded. Give it a listen. It's working fine. Now I'm going to just save this file into a folder. So test. I'm gonna save this. I'm done. I'm done with the presentation. This is the file. Now, the file is now saved in .mov format, and it's not widely usable majority of the places. So what we're gonna do is right click, rename, and with your keyboard change the format to MP4. Click enter, then click yes, MP4. You know your video is now in MP4 format. Now it needs to be saved in a place where it can be easily accessible to other applications. In order to do so, open up Photos app, click on imports, and in the imports, drag this file to here. There you go. It is almost done. I guess this is the file. Give it a test, listen. Yeah, it is working fine. All you need to do is now open up your desired upload software, and in the media library choose this file, and you're good to go.